तो आपका जो ये सफ़र है, एक कलाकार के लिए रियाज़ कितना ज़रूरी है? हाउ मच इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ दैट?
बहुत ज़रूरी है। यही मैंने सीखा है कि डेडिकेशन टू आर्ट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट, मेहनत इम्पोर्टेंट है, सेक्रीफाइस इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये सब कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट है। और रियाज के बिना कुछ होता ही नहीं। इफ़ यू वांट टू if a cricketer wants to play for India,
Right.
then he can't just practice for 1 hour a day and sit back on his laurels. मेहनत करना पड़ता है। तो this is very important. Dedication to art is extremely important.
And Sumit ji, you are doing a lot of philanthropy work.
जी.
Please tell me something about what work, what type of philanthropy work you're
हम
doing all
लोग-
over the world.
We are devotees of Satya Sai Baba,
Okay.
and now this mission of Satya Sai Baba is being carried forward by Sri Madhusudan Sai.
Right.
It's a global humanitarian mission which is spread over 80 countries,
Yeah.
and I'm so blessed to be a global ambassador for this mission. This mission is about reaching out to the underprivileged and needy
Right.
with healthcare, with nutrition, with education.
Yeah.
So I'm part of this beautiful mission, and in my home country in Fiji,
Yeah.
we have established a hospital with the blessings of Sri Madhusudan Sai.
Right.
And this hospital does not have a billing counter.
No, does not believe that.
No, it's a children's heart hospital जहाँ पे free heart surgery होता है.
Yeah.
It does not have a billing counter.
Right.
सिर्फ दिल no bill. This is the beauty.
और
And
सुमित
this is about
जी-
serving humanity. And I'm so humble and so fortunate to be
With the
able
part
to
of
do
it.
this. Yes.
So that work is happening. That your foundation work does work in India also.
Everywhere, all over the world, in India as well. In India, there's every morning, 10 million children are served with nutritious breakfast.
जी जी.
Thousands of
मोदी जी आए दिल्ली से
Thank you, Sumit ji.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
Thank you so much.
40 साल का मनुष्य से का संबंध, और आप इतने भाग्यवान हो कि अनुजरूरता जैसे आपको गुरु मिले हैं, इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे आप?
जैसे मैंने स्टेज में बोला था कि हमारे शास्त्र में मात पिता गुरु देवम इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन इंडिविजुअल्स लाइफ। तो भगवान का ब्लेसिंग्स है, और बड़े भाग्य से मुझे डिवाइन माता पिता और गुरु मिले। तो आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड to have such incredible parents and such a divine guru. And ये जो 40 साल का जर्नी है, it's been incredible. जैसे मैंने बताया कि it's not just about music, but he's mentored me in life as well. जो संस्कार है, and he's always positive. He's all about love, all about serving humanity. So ये सब मैंने सीखे हैं मुझे से।
सुमित जी, ये भारत का जो संगीत है, शास्त्रीय संगीत है, हमारा जो कल्चर है, भारत में तो इसका बढ़ावा हो ही रहा है, लेकिन पूरे विश्व भर में भी इंडियन कल्चर के भी एक they want to hear, they want our culture to they are very much impressed.
Indian music, Indian art, Indian dance is revered and cherished all over the world. Sivyahani, and this is why it's very important that we carry forth this legacy of good music, of good art, of good dance. जो हमारी संस्कृति है, भारतीय कल्चर है, उनको आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. We should do all that we can to preserve this culture.
One more thing, sir, Sumit ji.